is Mahesh. We are going to continue the examples of problems on ages. Let's get started. The first question is, James' father was 30 years old when he was born. His mother's age was 24 when his sister, who is 5 years younger to him, was born. What is the difference between the age of James' father and mother? Okay, we have 4 members here, James and his father, mother and his sister. Okay, we'll put it down like this. So James, his father, his mother and his sister. Okay, there are 4 members are there in this question. James' father was 30 years old when he was born. I am assuming James' age as X, which means what is his father's age? X plus 30. Here James is 0 and his father is 0 plus 30, 30 years. Done. Next, his mother's age was 24 when his sister, who is 5 years younger to him, was born. 5 years younger to James. What is the value? James' value is X. 5 years younger to him, X minus 5. So his sister is X minus 5. When she was born, his mother was 24. Okay. When X minus 5, 24 means when it becomes X, what is the value here? Mother's value is 19 because 5 years less. Before 5 years, she might have been 19. So when James was born, his father is 30 and his mother is 19. What is the difference between them? Which is 11 years. That's the question here. The question is, what is the difference between the age of James' father and mother? So difference is 11 years between his father and mother. So difference will not change. Even after 10 years, the difference will be same, 11 years. Even ago 10 years, which is also same, which is 11 years. Okay, let's get into the next problem. In 10 years, A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. In 10 years, after 10 years, A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. If you calculate present value, B was 10 years ago and then A is 10 years after. If A is now 9 years older than B, the present age of B is. So let's put it like this. A, B, both are there. And then A is now 9 years older than B. So I have to assume B value as X because A is 9 years older than B. So X plus 9. Here, come here. In 10 years, A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. In 10 years, what will become A after 10 years? A will be X plus 9 plus 10, which is nothing but X plus 19. A will become X plus 19. That. Next, twice as old as B was 10 years ago. 10 years ago, what is B now? 10 years ago, X minus 10. 10 years ago, X minus 10. Okay? Just equate. A in 10 years. So, when you equate this, X plus 19 is equal to 2 times of X minus 10. Are you clear? In 10 years, X plus 19 will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago, which is equal to 2 times of X minus 10. X is B's value. Okay, equate this, you will get X value. So nothing but X plus 19 is equal to 2X minus 20. When you take 20 here and X there, you will get X value. X is equal 39. Okay, done. So X is 39. B's present age is 39. What is the question now? The question is the present age of B is. The question itself, what is the present age of B? If the question is what is the present age of A, then 39 plus 9, 48. That's it. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Next question is the average age of A and B is 31 years. B and C is 30 years. A and C is 50 years. Find their ages. I guess the question is wrong. So I'll change that. A and C is 25 years. Okay. The average age of A and B is 31 years, B and C is 30 years, and A and C is 25 years. Find their ages. Okay. First thing, A and B average is 31 years means A plus B will be 62 years. Am I right? Because average is equal for both of them. Two members are there means their average age is 31 means twice 62. Done. Next, so B plus C is the same kind, which is 60 years. And then A plus C is 50 years because 2 times of 25 is 50. Together, 2 times of A is there, 2 times of B is there, 2 times of C is there. A is twice and B is twice and C is twice. When you add all these, 2 times of A plus B plus C is equal to, add all these. 60 plus 60, 120, 122 plus 50 is 172 years. So what is A's value, ABC's value? ABC is equal 172 divided by 2. What you will get? 86 years. You got the value of ABC. Just substitute here in A plus B and B plus C and A plus C. You will get the value of another answers. So A plus B plus C is 86. When you subtract A plus B with this, you will get C value. Subtracting A plus B, 86 minus 62 will be 24 years. C is 24 years. And then 86 minus 60, you will get A value. A is equal to 26 years. And then A plus C is 50 years. So we will get B value as 86 minus 50, you will get 36 years. Done. So answers of A, B, C is, and their ages are 26, 36 and 24 respectively. So that's it. We'll move on to the next question. A father said to his son, I was as old as you are at present at the time of your birth. If the father is 46 years now, the son's age 3 years back was. Okay, the question is, a father said to his son, what is he telling? I was as old as you are at present at the time of your birth. If the father is 46 years now, the son's age 3 years back was. Listen, so we'll put it like this. So father, son. Father and son. I am assuming son's age as X. So son's age as X at present. If you take present, son's age as X. I was as old as you are at present. What is son's present age? X. When he was born. So when son was born, he was X. Okay. At the time of your birth. If the father's age is 46 years now, what is father's age now? He was X years old when X years ago. This is X years ago, right? From 0 to X. 0 to X. The difference for the son from here to here is X years. So he is X. He was X. Father was X at first. After X years, he will be 2X. So at present, father is 2X at present. At present, father is 2X. So 2X is equal, the value is given 46. What is X? Which is 23. I have the value for X, 23. X is nothing but son's present age, or else the father's past age when he was born. When his son was born, he was X. Now he is 2X. Okay, done. But the question is, the son's age 3 years back was. At present, son's age 23. 3 years back, his age was 20. 23 minus 3, which is 20 years. The question is to find 3 years back, boss. Okay, that's all the example now.